GMOs are genetically modified organisms that are produced using recombinant DNA. These organisms are then man-made into seeds, producing most of the food in the United States. As much as 80% of all packaged food contains GMOs, and 70% of food in the supermarket have a GMO ingredient. I'm sure we've all heard about the organic food movement, which is pushing for produce without GMOs, but most studies can't find any health problems associated with GMOs. So what is so bad about these genetically modified organisms?
Genetically modified foods are foods that have genes from other organisms in them to give them certain traits that are not normal to their species. Seeds are usually given genes that resist herbicides and produce pesticides so that they can grow larger and all year round. We even crossbreed plants and animals to produce food. For example, Golden Delicious apple is crossed between a Gala apple and a kid's orange red apple. Not requiring labels on these foods can be dangerous to consumers. GMOs are suspected to cause allergies, reproductive disorders, antibiotic resistance, and accelerated aging.
Growing GMOs has led to a creation of superweeds and superbugs. Because of the amount of Roundup that is necessary to grow these plants, weeds have begun to develop a tolerance and come back even bigger. The same thing is happening with bugs, especially in corn plants. Also, the increase in the use of pesticides and herbicides is proving to be detrimental to the environment by blowing into the wind or getting into the water, both of which allows it to flow freely around the country and penetrate into the ground while also being breathed in by humans and animals alike.
Monsanto has gotten $10 million from farmers because they have claimed that small farmers are illegally saving GM seeds. When a GMO seed blows from Farm A to Farm B on accident, it is said that Farm B is illegally growing Monsanto's seeds and Farm B will be sued for everything they own, without a chance of winning against such a large corporation. Even though the farmer's land is unintentionally contaminated with GE pollens through wind dispersal or pollinations, it is still considered illegal. GMOs have run small family-run farms out of business, leaving the farming industry as a scientific corporation.
Okay, what do you think GMO stands for?
General Motor Organization.
What does GMO stand for?
Great moms overall.
There you go. GMO? I have no idea.
Can you take a guess? Not you yet, not yet.
I have a guess.
General Motor Organization.
GMO?
GMO, what does it stand for?
Making out. Girls making out.
What does GMO stand for?
Genetically modified organisms.